All right, what's going on, traders? Today is Thursday, June 29th. It was another scorching trading session in today's market. And yup, you guessed it, the short sellers got smoked once again. All right, guys and gals, rule number one when it comes to your trading is never go against the trend. All right, we're just about 2 days away from starting the second half of the year. You understand? So the first half of the year, it's in the books. And a lot of you guys, in fact, most of you guys and gals out there struggled miserably trying to trade the first half of the year. So here's my suggestion. You can take it or leave it. All right? What I think you should do is try something different. Okay? Try something new, try something unique. Case in point, why don't you try to deploy a trend trading style or a trend trading method instead of always betting against the trend? You understand? So guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action at the close. If you recall from yesterday's video, I told you that I came up with a strategy called banging the close, where we try to limit our trading to just the last 90 minutes of each trading session. And the theory is, okay, that if we're going to use a volume-based indicator, which is this green and red color band that you see overlaid on the chart, all right, and the color codes are very simple, okay? When it's red, it means that the volume is flushing to the downside, and when it turns green, it tells you that the buyers are flushing the volume to the upside. This is the world's best, in my humble opinion, trend trading indicator. Okay? And that's because it simply does not lie with respect to telling you what direction the market's trending. Okay? Anyway, so my theory was during the last 90 minutes of every trading session, there's a tremendous amount of volume that comes in. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that volume flush, again, in either direction. You have no idea what direction the market's going to start banging the close until this volume indicator changes color. So case in point, wouldn't you know it, it actually changed colors from red into green right here. Yes, this is inside our 90-minute window. So from this point on, guys and gals, everything to the right, okay, of this vertical line, we're only looking for longs. You understand? Because we're trying to bang the close along with the big guys, the large traders, the institutions, the hedge funds, all the people that cause and create large, explosive, huge trend moves, okay? And you guys know what's coming next, man, right? This volume indicator absolutely nailed the retracement right over here. All right, guys and gals. This was such a textbook setup. Again, folks, you've seen the same pattern show up on the vol, okay, which is this volume indicator color band. I'd like to call it the vol. You've seen the same patterns and the same retracements show up every day. This was just an interesting theory that I came up with pretty recently with respect to banging the close, and today's the second day that I deployed this strategy, and lo and behold, here was the first setup that showed up. And then here's the second setup that showed up. Third, fourth. Man, I am telling you, banging the close seems like it might be the winning ticket, right? A lot of you guys and gals out there who are looking for an edge, even if it's a small edge, how can you beat this, right? How can you challenge what I just explained to you with respect to two things? Number one, there's a huge volume flush in the last 90 minutes of each and every trading session. I like to call it banging the close. And number two, we're going to use this volume indicator color band to play it accordingly and crush this market every single day at the close. All right, this was 300 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, straight up like money. So listen, folks, it's my sincere hope that you try to do something different in the second half of 2023 with your trading. Okay, I think that this particular strategy that I'm showing you can really help break your bad habits. And more importantly, you're going to see the merits and the value behind a powerful trend trading system that carefully pinpoints proper and logical areas to trade this market. That'll do it for this video, guys and gals. Hope you learned something fascinating and hope you learned a strategy that actually works in this video. And I hope that you continue to crush it with this volume indicator color band tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.